Hey guys, this is Todd with Great Escape Farms. Today I'm going to show you one of the methods I use for pulling up T-post using a T-post puller. There's several different methods of pulling T-posts up, and T-post puller is the one that I've kind of settled on here. You can do it with tractors, you can just shake it and loosen it up, lots of different ways, but T-post puller seems to work for me. So check out the video, see what you think, and comment below if you have any other suggestions, and also click like if you like it. Thank you very much. Okay guys, we are on to post removal now. So first thing up is T-post removal, and what I need to remove all the T-posts because everything's going to be replaced with wooden posts. And because we've had so much rain and all, we're in the rainy season, the ground is soft. So I'm putting down 3/4 inch plywood here, just some scrap that I had around, so that I can use a T-post remover here. And it's kind of like a car jack, if you will, to jack this thing up. So I will show you how to set this up. And I just realized as I'm shooting this, I have the board on the wrong side, because what I want is the board on the back side of the teeth here. So I had the tripod set up right here, which is on the correct side, so you'll actually get to see it from the other side. So let me move this around, set this camera up on the tripod, and we'll move on. Okay, so we have the wood moved over to the back side now of where the teeth are. I'll go ahead and use the T-post remover, or T-post jack as I call it, and we'll pull this thing out. You know what, I probably should show you how this thing works. So this is the base, which sits on the ground. I have it's like a huge C here, and this goes around. This will be on the back side. This piece right here goes on the front side where the teeth are. And then I have a mechanism here that goes down. It wedges itself in the T-post like this, and it will pull it up, just to give you an idea of what's going to happen here. So, go ahead and see it in action. And that's all there is to it. So far, I have not had any issues getting any of these out. So this is a wonderful tool right here. You can also pick this up at Tractor Supply. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for viewing and spending time with me. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Also click like if you like this video. Thank you very much and have a great day.